Assalamualaikum and good day everyone. My name is Nur Natasha and today I will present our FIN534 dashboard analysis regarding drug addict statistic in Malaysia for the year 2023. Before explaining the dashboard, I would like to briefly explain how we obtain the data for this assignment. So, we collected the data from data.gov.my, which is the official open data portal provided by the Malaysian government. Here, click the data catalog and search for dataset related to drug addiction. Our group choose drug addict by state and drug type, and then click here download full dataset. After collecting the data, we clean and organize it using Microsoft Excel. Then we use pivot tables, charts, maps, slicer, and descriptive statistics to create an interactive dashboard. Now, I will explain the dashboard step by step. First, let us look at the drug addict by states and types section. This chart compares different drug types across all states in Malaysia. From the analysis, amphetamine type stimulant or ATS recorded the highest number of addicts in most states, especially in Johor, Kedah, and Kelantan. This chart helps users compare the pattern of drug abuse between states more clearly. Next, we move to the total addict by state map visualization. The map helps users identify the distribution of drug addiction cases across Malaysia more easily. Based on the dashboard, as we know, Johor recorded the highest number of cases with 3,191 addicts, followed by Kedah with 1,975 and Kelantan with 2,718 cases. Meanwhile, Wilayah Persekutuan Putrajaya recorded the lowest number of cases with only 39 addicts. The third section is total drug addict by types. From the dashboard, ATS recorded the highest number of addicts with 90,523 cases, followed by opiate with 5,635 cases, and cannabis recorded 895 cases, while psychotropic pills and other drugs showed lower numbers. This analysis shows that ATS is the most commonly abused drug type in Malaysia during 2023. Next is descriptive statistics. This section summarizes the data using measurements such as mean, standard error, and median. For example, ATS recorded the highest mean value of 1,220.188, showing that the average number of ATS addicts across states is much higher compared to other drug types. Next, top 3 drug types by total number of addicts. Based on the dashboard, the top 3 drug categories are ATS, cannabis, and opiate. This summary helps users quickly identify the most critical drug abuse category. Lastly, we have the top 3 states with highest number of drug addicts. The top 3 states, as we know, Johor, Kedah, and Kelantan, which recorded the highest number of cases compared to other states in Malaysia. Overall, this dashboard transforms raw data into meaningful visual information. It helps users identify trends, compare the data efficiently, and support decision-making related to drug prevention and awareness strategies. This is all from me. Thank you for listening, and now I would like to pass the presentation to my partner for the next explanation.
Thank you, my partner Natasha. Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Zahid bin Saidi. I will continue my part, which focuses on Tableau, where I created interactive visualizations to better explore and understand the data. The objective of this analysis is to identify patterns, compare states, and determine which drug types are the most dominant. To begin with, here is the overall summary. The total number of cases is 26,253. The state with the highest number of cases is Johor with 3,191 cases. The most common drug type is amphetamine type stimulants ATS with 19,523 cases. This shows that ATS is the main contributor to drug-related cases in Malaysia. Next, this map shows the geographical distribution of drug cases across Malaysia. Darker color represent higher numbers of cases. We can clearly see that states such as Johor, Kedah, and Kelantan have relatively high case numbers. Meanwhile, states like Perlis and Labuan have lower case counts. This visualization helps us quickly identify high-risk areas. This bar chart shows the total number of cases by state. Johor ranks the highest, followed by Kedah and Kelantan. This allows us to easily compare and rank the states based on their case numbers. It highlights which states may require more attention in addressing drug-related issues. This chart presents the distribution of drug types. We can see that amphetamine type stimulants dominates significantly, followed by opiate. Other categories such as cannabis and psychotropic pills have much lower values. This indicates that ATS is the primary concern in this dataset. This heat map shows the relationship between states and drug types. We can also observe that most states have high values for ATS, while certain states show higher values in other categories like opiate. This helps us understand how drug types vary across different regions. One of the key advantages of Tableau is interactivity. For example, when we click on a specific state or drug type, all the visuals update automatically. This allows users to explore the data dynamically and gain insights more efficiently compared to static tools. Meanwhile, my partner uses Excel to perform calculations and data processing. By combining Excel and Tableau, we are able to both analyze the data and present it in a more meaningful and interactive way. In conclusion, ATS is the most dominant drug type. Johor has the highest number of cases. Visualization helps us understand patterns more clearly. Using Tableau enhances the analysis by making it more interactive and easier to interpret. That's all from us. Thank you.